This is the driver's side head of that Subaru. That's probably not showing up too good there. That's not too bad, I don't think. Right? Let's see. And it's right there. So that one didn't go through. Let's see. Let's go to the next one. Okay, that one goes through. That one goes through. Should be machinable, right? Perfectly good. 17 thousandths. Okay. I didn't get to the other side yet. That's a shit ton. Those heads are... You couldn't even fix those heads if you want it. See what happens. It's not too messy. Aren't you sneaky? Steal these bolts. You never know when you're going to need them. Ew. Look at that. A mess. Not that easy inside of a van. Okay, we got some tuned up valves there. Some sludge in that cylinder. This block, everything is just complete trash. I'm just taking it apart just to see what happened. That valve is bent pretty good. I might actually take that valve out just to see how bent up it is. Stick it in there. And I can't find my good set of guys. These knees. And that's over 10 thousandths. The other one was at 17, so I wonder what this one is. Go right to 17. And this is a good straight edge. It's for guitar work. Oh, 17 goes right on there. 6,000, so I can't really tell because my gauge set doesn't go any lower than 6,000s, but it's definitely lower than 6,000s. I don't know what the spec is, but I wonder if the block is actually salvageable. Not that I'm going to do it; it's still going right in the trash. I actually don't see any marks where the valve hit, which is weird. I would definitely expect to see a witness mark. Now I also realize I'm not scraping the surface. I am making sure that it's doesn't have a bunch of shit on it, but I'm not scraping it. So these numbers could be skewed, but I don't care. Let's go. The other one was less than. Let's go right. My smallest one, which is the 6,000s. There's a nice gap there. 6,000s does not go in it, so it's less than 6. Now, I don't have a core on this. They said I had a core, but they never charged me the core. So I can do whatever I want with this block. I'm just curious if this block is salvageable. I'll give it away to somebody if somebody wanted to mess with it. Yeah, I would give it away just so I don't have to get rid of it. Stuff like this off of it, just in case. I put it all in a bag labeled Subaru gear and all that crap. I took the oil control valves or the oil solenoids off. Whether they're good or not, I don't know. But if I ever come across a need to test one, hopefully I can use one of those to help me out for one of those times that I'm in a bind. Well, that's as far as I'm going. I'm not taking the oil pan off or nothing like that. It's obvious that failure was with the heads warped excessively. This one here, the valve, I'm like spinning it. See that? Let's see here. I'm like spinning it. This is probably the one. I think this is the cylinder where the intake was actually going. These are actually spinnies. I don't know how normal that is. I've never tried that in any other head before. Maybe I'll pull her apart, I don't know. I don't have to worry about how careful I take these heads apart. I can just take it apart. However I want. Let's see if I'm even in the shot here. Back in a little bit. That's the stuff that was melted into the manifold. So I think it was just the can was slightly open. Yep. Yeah. I don't know. It could even be salvageable on one of these. I guess you could take it apart and and make little stick figures with the valves or something, some kind of steampunk art, whatever. That's all it's good for. Yeah, as far as I'm going, I don't feel like taking all the valves out, nothing like that. I wonder if there's anybody that would want any of this besides for scrap. Because that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take it to scrap. After I'm done robbing as much 10 millimeters. Much of the bolts and shit I can get out of it. I'll have a whole bunch of that stuff, and then I'll never drop or lose another one again because I have them on hand. So it's a win-win for me. If I don't drop them and lose them, and I don't ever need them, I'm fine with that. This can does look good. Can't imagine it's straight with the head being warped. I'm going to do here. So on both sides, the block is less than the 6 thousandths. I can't go any lower because of my feeler gauge set. I don't have anything lower. I got to find my good set. I don't know where they're at.